Features taller sides that reduce evaporation for boiling, simmering, slow cooking, and more. Made from stainless steel for solid durability and even heat distribution. Secured with riveted stainless steel handles and to prevent dropping or spilling. The go-to cookware brand for professional chefs and avid home cooks alike. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stoves. Safe to use in an oven or broiler, up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and a dishwasher. 8-quart covered multi-cooker pot with perforated insert for easy draining and stainless steel steamer basket for added versatility. Single-ply polished stainless steel construction with thick aluminum warp-resistant base for fast, even heating. Highly polished 18/10 stainless steel cooking surface offers superior stick resistance and easy maintenance, plus won't react with food. More durable than traditional pots for a lifetime of use. Steel lid. Stainless steel handles permanently secured with stainless steel rivets. Capacity etched on the pot's base. Oven and broiler safe to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Induction compatible. Dishwasher safe. Limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Far better quality than I expected. I cook daily and have done so for 40+ years, and I own a lot of cookware. All-Clad copper core and aluminum non-stick pans, All-Clad D3D5, Heston Nano and Pro Bond, FOC, CIA and Mauviel brushed copper. They each have their own specific uses in my kitchen. I wanted a larger steamer pasta cooker with a pot for general use and saw this set on sale. When it arrived, I was surprised by the weight, build quality and kitchen performance. This is not high-end All-Clad and it's certainly not Heston or FOC, but it sure performs well for steaming seafood, momos, ribs and a wide variety of veggies. It works great. Proof to me that you do not have to spend a lot of cash for really decent cookware.